Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Reese's Peanut Butter Blondies, and let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof mixing bowl, and into it place the butter, the white chocolate and the peanut butter. Then place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water and allow the mixture to melt a little. Then you'll want to continuously stir it until the mixture is smooth. You will then want to go ahead and add in all of the granulated white sugar and just whisk it in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can add in all of your eggs in one go and just whisk them in until they are fully incorporated. The mixture will become looser, but that's to be expected with the eggs being added. You can then go ahead and add in all of the plain flour and the salt and just whisk it in until it's fully incorporated, being careful not to overmix the mixture as this will make the blondies quite tough in texture and not pleasant when eating them. You can then go ahead and grab your 8-inch squared tin which has been lined with some parchment and just go ahead and pour in all of the blondie batter, and you can level it off in a minute, but it will do that itself pretty well. And then you'll just want to take dollops of peanut butter and just place them on top of the blondie batter. It's okay if they sink in a bit, as that'll just work its way in, but you'll then want to put as much or as little peanut butter on top. I went with quite a lot. Then just take a butter knife and just start to swirl it around so you get this swirl pattern, and this may not be very noticeable at the start, but once it's baked you'll be able to see it more. It's completely up to you how much you swirl. Some people, like myself, like to do quite a lot of swirling, but then others like to do a little less, but again it's completely up to you. So here are what the blondies look like once they are ready to go in the oven. I will leave all of the information including baking times and temperatures in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So halfway through baking you'll want to remove the blondies from the oven, and then you can, this is optional, but I like to place some chopped up Reese's peanut butter cups on top, then place them back in the oven and bake for the remainder of the time. And here are what they look like once they are fully baked and they are cooling down. So I do recommend leaving these in the fridge overnight as it makes them easier to cut up the following day, and you do get that denser, more fudgy texture, which is ideal. I then went ahead and just cut these into 16 smaller portions, but feel free to cut them into 8 bars instead of 16 squares. Again, it's up to you. This recipe is perfect for a peanut butter lover, as you get that peanut butter that was in the blondie batter and then swirled on top, and then the Reese's peanut butter cup as well. It's just a perfect recipe, and they're quite dense and squidgy. It's just perfect. Something, well, for me anyway. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to my blog, a direct link to this recipe, and then all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on them. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.